Welcome to ViceVersa IMAP email backup and restore software. Designed for Windows OS, ViceVersa offers a reliable and user-friendly platform to secure your important email data with ease. Features of ViceVersa IMAP backup and restore software. Effortlessly backup IMAP email data from any server. Export emails into multiple file formats including PST, EML, and MBOX. Perform bulk IMAP mailbox backups in one go. Fully compatible with all versions of Windows operating systems. IMAP email backup, step by step. Step 1. Launch the ViceVersa IMAP backup and restore tool on your Windows system. Step 2. Select the IMAP backup option. Step 3. Enter your IMAP account credentials. Step 4. Choose the folders you want to back up or select all folders. Step 5. Pick your desired export format, such as PST, EML, or MBOX. Step 6. Need only attachments? Simply check the Extract Only Attachments option. Step 7. Set your output destination, then click Backup Now to begin the process. Restoring emails to IMAP server. Step 1. Open the tool and choose the format of the email files you wish to restore. Step 2. Select either single or multiple PST files for restoration. Step 3. Click Browse to locate and load your PST files. Step 4. Enter your IMAP account details for the destination mailbox. Step 5. Choose an existing folder or create a new one for your restored emails. Step 6. Click Start Uploading to begin the restore process. Step 7. Once the upload is complete, you can export a detailed log of the process for your records. Download and install ViceVersa IMAP backup and restore today. For more information, visit our website. Thanks for watching.